This is a step up converter. Output 35 voltage, input 3.9 voltage. Input and output. This is a step up converter. I use one mobile charger. The input is 5 voltage and output is 35 voltage. This is a charging module. Type C charging module, 3.7 voltage battery charging module. Is blinking, finding the battery. And this is the step up module. This is the step up module. The input voltage should be here negative, in negative and in positive. The in negative and in positive, negative positive. The output, negative output from here, positive output from here. This is the wire. It's the positive output. Positive, and this one is the negative. This is the negative input, negative voltage input, positive voltage input. We can adjust the voltage as you want, no problem. If you want 12, 15, 18, 20, you can adjust the voltage, no problem. Now let's go to check the voltage. Is positive and negative. Now it is 5.9. Here is 3.9. Input 3.9, output 5.9. 5.9. Now I can adjust the voltage. I can increase the voltage using the variable. Now I am adjusting the voltage. Look, it's upping. Voltage increasing, voltage going up. 10, 12. If you want to adjust 12, you can adjust. This is 12 voltage. Or if you want more increase, you can adjust more. This is the adjustable step up converter. Now it's overloaded. 21, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 32, 33, 34, 35. No hot anywhere. Output 35. We cannot over the 35 because our capacitor is 35 voltage. Output capacitor is 35 voltage. I cannot cross the 35 because of the capacitor. Thank you for watching the video.